Thanks, Satish. All right. So you just heard about some pretty incredible things. That was a lot already. So how about we recap real quick? Take a collective breath. So our channel APIs are now public and available for everyone to use. Alongside that, we have incredible new channel partners in BuzzFeed and Instagram and Wish. We have the new Buy SDK for the Unity game engine, the beautiful chip and swipe reader for our retail merchants, and of course, the power of Shopify Pay for checkout. It's pretty incredible. Let's dive into something a little different, shall we? From online store to multi-channel, from desktop to mobile, the last 10 years have seen the expectations of every merchant and each one of their customers dramatically change. Our challenge here at Shopify is to address these new complexities while remaining true to our simple and approachable roots. It's a promise to every partner and merchant alike. We don't make things possible here, we make them great. And so to take these new complexities and turn them into simple solutions, we've invested a ton of effort into some of our most foundational areas. And today, for the first time ever, we're going to give you a sneak peek into some of the things that we're doing that is going to power the future of commerce for the next 10 years and beyond. And what better place to start than a topic that I think is near and dear to many of you here today, and that is discounts. So Shopify's first discount code feature was launched almost exactly 10 years ago in March of 2007. And at that time, if you were a merchant, you could use it to very easily add a percentage or a dollar off discount to a collection or product. It was simple, it was efficient, it worked great, and actually it still does. Not a lot has changed since 2007, as many of you know. But even if you look at the last year, 20% of all Shopify orders had a discount code associated with it. That's a lot. But that said, if you take that merchant from 2007 and you move them 10 years into the future, and you put them in present day, things have become more complex. A merchant today is required to offer new types of flexible, creative discounts to match the ever-changing needs of their customers. New discount types are now commonplace, and each merchant's customer group is completely unique and needs unique promotional strategies. In fact, today discounts are more important to a merchant to engage and retain their customers than ever before. And so, to take this new complexity and make it a simple solution, I'm really happy to announce today that we've put months of effort into a brand new discounts platform and experience that improves every aspect of creation and management. So now, a merchant will be able to offer flexible creative discounts that combine multiple collections and products with customer groups, order minimums, and much more. Once they've created these discounts, they can edit them on the fly, in the middle of a promotion if so, and then access powerful discount reporting to show them how their discounts are doing. And we haven't forgotten about our platform. We know that the lack of a widely available API for you guys has been a major pain point. But no longer. Powering all of these incredible new features is a brand new platform that we call Price Rules. Using the Price Rules API, you'll be able to create flexible, powerful discounts that integrate directly into our user interface and our reporting and marketing tools. And this platform is great for us too. This is going to allow us to quickly iterate on additional powerful discount features like bulk code creation, cart level discounts like buy one, get one free, and the thing that I'm looking forward to most, scheduled promotions and discounts that don't require discount codes. Yeah, I'm excited. All of this is going to be available just in a couple weeks next month, and we can't wait for you guys to get your hands on it and for merchants to get their hands on this too. So how do I follow that up? Well, with everyone's favorite topic, inventory. Okay, some fans, that's good. This is exciting for those who aren't fans already. So Shopify was originally designed for merchants with very simple inventory needs. In 2007, if you were signing up for Shopify, chances are you had all of your packages stacked in one place, and you fulfilled them from that same place. It was just a single location, and it was usually your basement. If you take that same merchant and you sign them up for Shopify now, things have become more complex. It's commonplace to have a merchant that signs up on day one, that sells at pop-ups, fulfills inventory from a drop shipper, rents space in a local warehouse, and even keeps inventory in their truck to sell at markets on weekends. The way that merchants source their products, where they store their inventory, and where they sell them have changed dramatically. So we knew this was coming, and we've been working very hard for a long time now on a brand new inventory and order management system that seamlessly incorporates multiple inventory locations. So what does multi-location inventory actually mean? In the future, when a merchant has inventory on the shelves of their retail store, in their basement at home, and in a local warehouse, Shopify will be able to accurately track and manage each group of that inventory in a single unified interface. This means no duplicate products, no spreadsheets, and no more anxieties. Yeah. This also means a vastly better buying experience for consumers. Buyers will now be able to access a merchant's inventory across all of their locations, giving them the power to make a single order with items from multiple places, and also empowering much better fulfillment and delivery methods like pickup in store. Satish talked about our retail customers, and we love them, and they're going to love this feature. Now, alongside better inventory management and a better buying experience comes a complete overhaul of our order management and fulfillment platforms. And we know that these are the beating heart of our merchants' businesses, and so we're giving them a brand new interface with powerful support for bulk fulfillments and deep app extensibility. The cool thing about all of this is that parts of this new inventory system are powering merchants' inventory today behind the scenes. And we can't wait for the rest of you to see more of this later this year. All right, so this has been a lot already, but there's one more thing. And it has to do with this color. So you may have noticed that our slides have a distinct lavender hue this year, and there's a reason behind this, which I'll get into in a second. But first, let's do what we've been doing all along and take a trip back in time. So those of you who signed up with Shopify in 2007 will recognize this, right? Yeah. This is our original yellow and green. This worked incredibly well for us for many years. In fact, it worked well for us until we launched what you're all familiar with today in 2012. And along the way, we also launched our very first mobile app. For those who remember, it looked like that. And of course, we launched point of sale as well. Now, every time we changed our design or experience, we did it because merchants had new problems that we needed to solve. And it worked really well for us, but it did put us in an interesting position. Here's where we are today. You can probably notice what I'm talking about. Each one of these products looks and works great, but it doesn't look and work like any of the others. So just like we're investing in our technical and product foundations, we're also investing in the foundations of our design and experience. So this is the last time I'm going to announce something today, but I think this is pretty special. We've created a new design language for Shopify that looks consistent and works consistently across every product we offer. And it looks like this. So along with this new look, we've also made some big changes to some of our interface. Search is now first and foremost in the merchant's workflow, and we're making its capabilities more powerful every day. Our navigation has never been easier to use, and it works incredibly well on web and mobile. We have a brand new illustration style that's fun and friendly and proudly represents the diverse community of merchants that use Shopify every day. Our color palette has been designed from the ground up with accessibility in mind. And alongside all of this is a beautiful new icon set that represents the exact same items and resources across all the products. Mobile is also getting a refresh. It's simpler, it's easier to use, and it gets a brand new icon that I can't wait for you to see. And of course, point of sale across tablet and mobile as well. And let's just pause for a second, because look how great that looks beside our brand new card reader. That's a family of products that we can't wait for you guys to get your hands on. So here's what it looks like all side by side. Now, we've invested heavily in this new design language because we want our merchants to have a consistent, powerful experience across every product we offer. We love how this looks and it works, and we hope that you do too. And this is going to be available next month, just in a few weeks. We can't wait for you guys to get your hands on this. All right, so I lied earlier when I said there was only one thing remaining. There's actually one more thing. And this is another first for us. So alongside these changes for our merchants, we're also making some changes for you. And today, I'm very happy to announce our very first user experience platform. And we call it Polaris. Using Polaris, you get access to all of the tools and guidelines that we use internally to build our own interfaces. You'll get access to our own style guides, our pattern libraries, and even the UI components themselves, so that you can make your apps look and feel right at home. Using Polaris, you can take something that looks like this. This is Shopify's own order printer app, the very first app we launched in our very first app store, and turn it into something like this. Notice that new embedded app wrapper? We're excited for you to get your hands on that too. Now, this just isn't about looks. Using Polaris is also going to improve your engagement, your retention, your conversion. And how do we know? Well, this is a quote from an app developer that's in the house tonight, actually. Using Polaris will make you work faster, it's going to make merchants more productive, and it's going to make them happier. And the best part about all of this, Polaris is available today for all of you. You get it before anybody else. How exciting is that? So I hope you enjoyed this sneak peek into some of the things that we're building to power the future of commerce for the next 10 years and beyond. Our promise to you is this: no matter how complex the problems of the future become, we will always find the most simple, most powerful solution. And now, to talk about how we're investing in you, our wonderful partner community, even more, please welcome to the stage my friend Atlee. Thank you very much.
Please welcome Shopify